On this week's Life and Fork episode, I'm going to be showing you my Mexican marinade for skirt steak. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you that right away.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces.
Alright, so first we're going to take a piece of skirt steak, put it in a Ziploc bag. The Ziploc bag is going to help to marinate the skirt steak. Set that aside. Now you're going to take 3 garlic cloves and smash them with the back of a knife. Smashing them pulls out all the oils and all the flavor out of the garlic cloves. This helps the marinade sink in. Next, you're going to take 1 shallot and shave it really thin with a knife. Shaving it thin helps the onion really get the flavor out of it. The thicker the slices, the harder it is to pull more flavor out. Put that in your Ziploc bag and set aside. Next, we're going to start making the marinade. To make the marinade, you need a little container. So I'm using a little plastic container. I'm going to take 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. You don't need to go real super expensive on the oil because it is going to be just used for marinating. Then you're going to start adding your spices. We're going to start with adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dark chili powder, now you're going to take your spoon that you were using and mix it all together nice, trying to make sure that it all blends in good. This helps without keeping the clumps. The marinade should not clump at all, so you should not have an issue at all. Next, you're going to take your Ziploc bag with the skirt steak and fill it with the 2 ounces of the marinade you just made. This marinade is great on any kind of steak. The most important part is to try to pull all the air out of the bag. So what I like to do is squeeze the bag all the way down to the steak and then start sealing it little by little. This will help keep all the air out and keep the marinade in. Now you smash it around, you set it aside. While at work, of course, I have a cryovac machine, but at home this works really good. Marinate your steak for 24 hours minimum. There you have it.
So there you go. That's a quick marinade that I do on all my skirt steaks here at work and at home, honestly. One question I might get asked about this video is, why isn't there any cilantro? Cilantro I always add at the end just because it's a little bit overpowering after I leave my skirt steak marinade for 24 hours. That's right, I marinate mine for 24 hours in this marinade. So I hope you guys like this. As always, every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday a new video drops. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Take it easy. Bye.